I'm going to do a test on this URintells espresso maker. Everything that comes in the box, you have your product manual, there's a user manual, you get a portafilter, and then you get 2 cups. You got 1 cup and 2 cup. Then you get a scooper with a tamper built into it. This will give you cool espresso, espresso 1 cup, and this espresso 2 cup. You have a long coffee, and then you select this for the steam setting. So you have a detachable drip tray here. This comes out. You want to clean it. On this side you have your steam selector, your frothing wand, and then your water tank. The water tank just pops out, and you can fill it with water this way or bring it to the sink and just slides in place. Let's go ahead and make some coffee. So on the portafilter, you just take the cup, you set it on it. There's a little indentation here. You put it in here and rotate it, and it locks it in place. It's the same thing for the 1 cup. So make some coffee. Go ahead and tamp it down. Lock it in place. We'll select the 2 cup. When the buttons flash, it's coming up to temperature. Once you reach the temperature to brew, the buttons will stop flashing, and then you push it again. So once the buttons stop flashing, that means it's ready to brew. So you can select either 1 cup, 2 cup, or you can do a long coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and select the 2 cup. So here's your 2 cup. And the crema looks really good. So to steam the milk, you're going to push the steam button. And then what you want to do is purge it and get the water out of it. And you just push this lever down, it'll shoot some water out. Get the water out of the line. Let steam. So now you're ready to go. Got some milk in here. Turn it off. Clean the wand tip. And then purge it a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really nice. And there you go. Here's some of the close-up. Here's the panel. So you got power, espresso cool, espresso 1 cup, espresso 2 cup, long, and then you have the steam. Here's your steam button control, your frother, the water. You could always just opens up and add water right into it. The top gets warm, so you can place your cups up here to warm them up. All right, this time we're gonna do a long coffee. Here's your long coffee. Here's some of the specs on the machine. It's 11.2 inches deep from the front to the back to the water tank, 11.4 inches tall, 5 inches wide. The model is EM5110-US. It's a 20 bar coffee pump. The water tank capacity is 1,000 milliliters.